I'm with the SoundPeats TrueAir 2 and I'll show you how to reset these earphones. First, make sure you're connected to your SoundPeats. To reset them, put both earbuds into the case. Then click and hold both buttons for 10 seconds. The indicators will flash twice in white when the reset is complete. When they blink, release the buttons. Now they are reset to default settings, so you need to forget them and reconnect. Turn Bluetooth off and on again. Now you are successfully connected again. That's how you reset your SoundPeats TrueAir 2. If you found this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.